Welcome. Today you will learn about the process of using a X-ray machine for taking the imaging of the left arm.
Before we move ahead, the doctor must know the patient's details. Go gather the patient's details from screen 1. Today you will learn the right procedure involved in taking an X-ray. Before we begin, we will ask a few questions to the patient to ensure their safety. Now, for the first question, ask the patient, when was the last time you had taken an X-ray?
When was the last time you had taken an X-ray?
Probably a year ago, for a bruise that I got in the gym.
Ask the patient, if the patient has a history of cancer or tumors.
Do you have any history of cancer or tumor?
No, I was never diagnosed with any type of cancer or tumors.
Since our patient is a woman, in the case of a female patient you must ask for any possibility of pregnancy. If there's no possibility of pregnancy, then it's safe to perform an X-ray.
Is there any possibility of pregnancy?
No, I don't have any possibility of being pregnant at this moment.
Ask the patient if the left hand has any metal rod inserted in it.
There's no rod in my left hand.
Now the last thing before taking an X-ray would be to check for any wearables on the patient's hand. Ask the patient to remove any wearables on their hand if they can.
Could you please remove any variables you have in your hand?
Okay, but I do not have any wearables on my hand.
If all answers are good, then go ahead and perform the X-ray.
Please follow the patient towards X-ray room. To position the patient's left arm in the X-ray machine, please use the red sphere. Now adjust the machine directly above the patient's hand. Grab the machine to lower it onto the hand. Now walk back to the monitor room. Good. Now use the PPE equipment and then set up the settings for the X-ray machine. Now choose the correct option from the screen. Tap on the hand option. Tap on the lateral option. Now tap on the red button to capture the X-ray image. Very good. You did a good job. Now you can see and analyze the left-hand X-ray image from the screen on your left with the imaging you have captured. This has been an example of left arm X-ray simulation. Feel free to go through the experience again or go back to the home page and try a different experience.